All right, I'm about ready to try the corn here. Isn't that beautiful? Cooked it on the barbecue. Oh, wow. That's very good. Wow. All right, try some of the sweet potato now.
I like. This my food. I still not eat. You see. Wow.
I think you better start eating.
I eat now.
Because it's going to get cold on you. Heather. Maybe what you could do, you could videotape me, honey, eating my whole food, and then when I'm done, I'll videotape you.
No way, no way, no way. I try do something like this.
All right, I'm going to try the sweet potato. Oh, I'm going to take another bite of this chili.
This is my turn.
Oh, not too bad. All right.
Wow, this easy to eat. I like.
Easy to cut.
Yeah. No, when you easy to cut like this, you know, easy to eat.
All right.
I can eat.
We'll take a bite already.
I can eat red more than this. Oh yeah.
More salt. Wow, she puts a lot of salt on there, doesn't she?
You said this spicy?
Yours is. Wow.
Oh, that's spicy.
Try some sweet potato, honey. Good, huh? Okay. All right. I think I want to start eating my food again. All right, let's turn this thing off, babe.
Now I can eat my food.
All right, hon. Here's your corn.
อุ๊ยขอบคุณค่ะ If I fall down, cannot eat food because I try to do YouTube. Yummy. I give one bite to Harry.
Yeah, right. I've been giving it to him.
I have green onion.
You want green onion? Yeah.
Wow, you eat all. Oh, you still eat.
Oh, that was spicy.
You still have. I think you eat already.
Ooh. Hot, spicy, huh?
I like.
Have you tried the sausage yet? No, you haven't. Wow. No. One more.
Can I eat your chili?
Oh, go ahead. Yeah. I didn't know. No, I didn't know you.
Harry go somewhere again.
Harry? Harry, you stay here.
spicy.
Yeah.
We eat a lot already.
You want to share?
How you call this? The fire?
Campfire.
Campfire.
Yeah. Got water.
Where we put now for leaf here for what?
Harry? No. You've done this before, haven't you? Well, we went to the west. Oh, yeah, we did. We had Heather with us.
We have Heather and she on her period. You not feel good, right, Heather?
Yeah.
I remember.
We still walked her with the leaves. It was before Harry. Harry, why you stand there? There's smoke in your eyes. Keep going.
Thank you.
Looks like it's a little wet.
Yeah, still wet.
It's all right.
I like to sleep inside Sienna. I don't want to sleep inside the tent. I care about bear.
There's no bears here.
If someone say no bear,
I don't even think
how you know you is a bear?
The bears are afraid of you, honey.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Harry, come here.
Very good boy. He's a good girl.
You smell your poop cooking in there, Heather? It's cooking.
Cooking.
Come here, baby. Come here. Up. Come here. Come on. She's I want mama.
It's time for sleep already.
Almost. We go to sleep now. We're gonna wake up really. The dogs are gonna want to go outside.
Heather say, I don't want to sleep. Heather want to run more.
Heather? Harry.
Harry, not Heather. Now, Harry, why you so wrong name, Mom?
It's getting a little cool.
Yes, Heather, good girl.
Let's see what the weather is here.
You eat dog food. Harry, you don't want to eat?
Show more rain tonight.
Huh? What?
Well,
Have rain tonight?
we got a little more. 2 hours. Wow, look at that. Rain for 4 days.
Oh.
Tomorrow 70. Today 81. Tomorrow 72. 70% chance of rain.
Really good weather. Good for camping. I don't worry about rain because not have rain all day or anything, you know.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm surprised Heather eat dog food.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Before Harry. Harry, you're not hungry? What you thinking? Tell me. What you thinking? What are you thinking? My puppy. You wait for Heather eat? I'm sorry, I bring one bowl only. I forget. I give you next. I know you gentleman. I know you gentleman. I'm my puppy. Good boy, good girl.
Ultra progressive, and you can save hundreds. You know, like the sign says.
Bim, bim.
Mr. Bundy, since you lose your parking spot if you get one more complaint.
Good morning. How you sleep last night?
Good. Yeah.
I hear you how you call snore.
I snored last night? Really? Still a little cool right now. It's about 60.
And I think we leave soon, right?
I know. We're going to make breakfast. Make breakfast, some eggs.
And
Make switch.
look at me. We're the same last night. Good trip. What you make for your breakfast?
Egg and sausage.
Look at Heather. Heather, keep looking. I want to try that.
Hey, get out of there. Here, go ahead. Eat some.
No, you eat it. I eat already. More. Look at Heather. She don't want to go outside. Why, Heather? You don't like dirty? It's okay.
The sausage, honey.
Yes. Why
You want to eat it with the other bowl?